read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyidah Maryam Naqvi is here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected parents, how are you? I hope you all are fine. In class, today we taught to the student number 17, how to count it, identification and trace. Okay, at your home, how could you teach number 17? We could take money. Okay, so take a 10 rupee note and 7 coins, keep them on the table and say 10 and 7, 17. This is a 10 rupee note, you will say, and these are 7 coins. Let's count with me. How many coins are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 10 and 7, 17. After that, they will count lemons. How many lemons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. 17 lemons. 17 lemons. Jingle and jingle in the jar. 17 lemons. Jingle and jingle in the jar. Okay, shake your hands and make a jingle sound as if lemons are in a jar. You will say to the kids, same like this. You have to make a flashcard of number 17. एक छोटा सा flashcard किसी भी simple सादा पेज के ऊपर आप number 17 लिख के बार बार दिखाएं, visualize कराएं. Which number is this? This is number 17. Which number is this? This is number 17. Okay, let's start how to write it. Start from the dot, come straight down. It will make number 1. Start from the red line, make sleeping line, make slant line. It will make number 17. 10 and 7, 17. हम 1 and 7, 17 नहीं कह सकते, ये गलत concept है. 10 and 7, 17. Same like that, 20 and 1, 21. 30 and 1, 31. Same like that, हम बच्चे को बिल्कुल अच्छे तरीके से उसका concept clear करेंगे. 10 and 7, 17. Okay, I hope so you like this lesson. And you will teach at home same like this. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.